So hello, it's day 2 of my 30-minute research challenge. My today's topic is YOLO algorithm. So I had to study this algorithm because of my some project which is related to image detection. So our older algorithms, for example RCNN, what they used to do is, for example, we have image of 100 by 100. So we crop it into the pieces of 1 into 1, so exactly we will be able to get the 100 pieces. Now that 100 pieces need to be individually analyzed to check that whether some kind of object is present in this image or not. For example, we have taken the blank image and we have placed the one small football in that image, but with using this RCNN, it will analyze the whole image, every part of it, to validate that whether this object is present or not. But in our YOLO algorithm, what we are trying to do is we do analyze the entire image in one go and also predict while we are analyzing it. So it's basically more helpful to explain all of this into the layman's language. Imagine you have to read the book. So one way is to read the book, like for example opening the book, reading one page and then closing it, then again opening it, reading the second page, then closing it, and at the end, with all this iteration, you will be able to complete the book, but in much larger time and with much larger complexity. But what if you are wise and you are YOLO, so what you will be doing is you will open the book and read it in one go and then close it, and then jump on the conclusion that whether you like what were your question before reading the book. So by this way, YOLO algorithm actually saves the much larger time for you, and also the computational power you don't actually require that much, because in YOLO you are like beforehand you are feeding him that like feeding this algorithm that I am here to detect one object. Example, that object is knife. So you have already given him a matrix that knife has height, width, color, and other feature also if you require. So that algorithm has to only look for that matrix, and in one go it will analyze that if that object is present or not. So for the technical jargon, unlike our older methods, YOLO what actually does is it's perform the object localization and classification in a single forward pass process with the help of which is a neural network. Okay, so what is localization and what is classification? Localization is where our object is in that image, and classification is what is the object. So till now I have researched this much only. Okay, bye.